Hey guys, school's over and I'm expected to actually do stuff during the summer. So let's make a freaking Blackjack AI. Here's the game plan. I first code the Blackjack game, then I sprinkle in some AI, here and there. Here's the Blackjack game without the AI yet. Here are the basic rules of Blackjack. You and the dealer initially get two cards. Both your cards are face up, while the dealer has a face up and a face down card. Now, don't ask me why the dealer has a face down card. I don't know why. And it's honestly a mystery that has perplexed people for centuries. The goal of the game is to get a sum of 21 points. Right now, I have a sum of 17 points. So I have two actions. I can hit, meaning I get an additional card, or stick, meaning I stop getting cards. Right here I hit, and my sum increased to 23. And fun fact kids, 23 is greater than 21, and so I lose. So in the next game, I again get a sum of greater than 21 and I lose. Now, in my third game, I hit and got a sum of 19. So I decided to stick. So the dealer reveals his face down card and can proceed to hit or stick like us. So here I finally beat the dealer as they got a sum of 24. I then proceed to play another 21 games and I only won 6 and the dealer won 15. So I guess it's fair to say that I'm poop at this game. Let's make the AI now. So here it is. Oh, don't you love that clean card dealing sound? Isn't it so relaxing? Okay, fine. I'll turn it off. This is the original speed of the AI, and initially the AI is losing more than it's winning. However, after 5,000 or so games, it finally has learned enough to start winning, which is something I can never do. And now, let's try to explain how the AI actually learns. It's not magic. It's actually super stupidly straightforward. There, you get it now? Here's a secret for y'all. The math is fake. Like if you plug in the correct values into the equation, it still doesn't work. It's all fake. So let me break down how it actually works. Here's an example. As a baby, if you touch a hot stove, you let go of it instantly. The next time you even think about touching the stove, you remember the time you got burned, so you don't touch the freaking stove. The AI pretty much does the same thing. It stores every single game it plays and then refers back to the list of games. So for example, in game 1, let's say it has a sum of 20 points, and then it makes the stupid decision of hitting, and it loses. Now in game let's say 1000, it again gets a sum of 20 points, and it remembers back to game 1 how it lost by hitting, so it decides to stick and it wins. It's a bit more complex than that, but that's the basic gist of it. It just remembers everything. That's honestly all it is. So initially, for the first 100 or so rounds, the AI doesn't know anything because it hasn't played much games. But after 5,000 rounds, it had almost played every single possible game, and it knows every single possible sum. Right now, we can witness a moment in history when the AI overtakes the dealer. Wait for it. So right now we can see that the games won by the AI is more than the games lost by the AI, meaning that the AI has successfully learned how to beat the dealer, which is something I never could do. Well, yeah, I guess we're done here. Sub if you're interested in any more AI content like this. I'm pretty new here. A like would be loved. Also, if you comment something down below, I can personally guarantee to you I will reply back. Well, see ya!